In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Trello API token in a quick and easy way. With this guide, you'll be able to generate your own API token and start integrating Trello with your favorite apps or custom solutions. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll want to head over to the Power-Ups administration section. For easy access, you can type in trello.com/powerups/admin directly into your browser's address bar. This will take you to the page where you can manage and create Trello power-ups. On the power-ups page, you'll notice a section labeled apps. Within this section, you'll see an option called power-ups. Make sure to click on that. The layout here is straightforward. It's under this apps category where you'll find all the tools and integrations you might need for your Trello boards. Once you've clicked into the power-up section, go ahead and click on the new button to create a new power-up. This is an important step because creating a new power-up will eventually allow us to generate the API key we're aiming for. You'll be prompted to name your new power-up or integration. Choose a descriptive name that you can easily remember or associate with the task you plan to accomplish using this API key. Next, you'll need to select a workspace. This is where the power-up will reside, hence it's important to select the appropriate one to ensure everything aligns with your project needs. Once you've chosen your workspace, you will need to enter your email. This is primarily for correspondence and attaching your account to the power-up, so make sure it's the email you regularly use with Trello. After entering your email, you'll also be asked to enter a support contact email. This is crucial if more than one person is managing this integration or if you have a dedicated support team. Essentially, this provides a point of contact should there be any troubleshooting or configuration questions in the future. The next field you'll find is for the author. Here, input the person or company who is responsible for creating and managing this integration. This could be your name or the name of the organization. After filling out all the required fields, click on Create to save and create your new power-up. Once your power-up is created, you will see an option to generate a new API key. Click on this and then click on Generate API Key. The system will immediately generate a new API key for you. Make sure to copy this key and store it in a secure place as you will need it to authenticate and interact with Trello's API. And there you have it. You now have your Trello API token ready to use. Remember, handle it carefully as it grants access to your Trello data, and never share it publicly or store it in insecure locations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.